Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So we're gonna go ahead and jump right into this. So I'm using the shade Spark from the Kathleen Lights and Colourpop Dream St palette as my brow bone highlight. I'll be using this dusty orange shade in Water Bear as my transition color, and also working that in the outer corner of my eye as well. And just to be building up on that crease color, I'm going to be using Sweet Dreams. To give it more of a smoky eye effect, I'm going to be using that brown shade called Moony and using that in the outer corner of my eye. So I've been going cut crease crazy lately. That kind of sounds like a tongue twister, but yeah, of course I'm going to be doing a cut crease look for you guys. And if you didn't watch my last video, I said in that video, any tips that I have for people who are trying to do a cut crease, it's all about practice and patience. So just continue to work on those cut crease. So that's what I'm doing here by using the NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk. Now I'm going to be using a Shooting Star. It's like a dark gold looking shimmery shade, and I'm gonna put that all over my lids. And I'm going to be using a little bit of this orangey shimmery shade called Magical. And for my tear duct, I'm going to go back in with that gold shade in Spark. I'm using the Colourpop Liquid Supernova Shadow in Firecracker. And I just added this just to add another color, a little more depth to it, just to, you know, make it a little more fun. And I did my face off camera. I will put one of my videos of me doing my full face routine in the description box below. So right now I'm just adding the Maybelline Unstoppable black eyeliner on my waterline. And I'm going back in with that brown shade Moony, and I'm using that on my waterline as well. And now I'm highlighting my face with the Bahi Cosmetics highlighter in Jasmine. I really don't know what I would do without my handy dandy brown liner. Like, I don't think I could survive without it. It's perfect for everything. So now on top of that brown liner, I am just using the Colourpop Ultra Glossy Lip in Moonchild. So this is definitely my favorite lip gloss, and I'm not even a lip gloss person, but this looks amazing and I absolutely love it. And that is the end of this tutorial. I hope you guys like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what y'all think. Please tell me what else you guys want to see from me. And I will see you guys in my next video.